Warehouse Structure Fabrication Services in Bengaluru, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd's expertise. In the rapidly evolving industrial landscape of Bengaluru, warehouse structure fabrication has become a critical component for businesses seeking efficient storage and logistics solutions. At the forefront of this specialized field stands SCON Design India Pvt Ltd, a company that has redefined the standards of warehouse fabrication in the region. With their state-of-the-art technology and unparalleled expertise, SCON Design offers bespoke warehouse structures that not only meet but exceed client expectations. SCON Design's approach to warehouse fabrication is rooted in innovation and precision. Their team of skilled engineers and designers utilize cutting-edge software to create 3D models of each structure, ensuring optimal space utilization and structural integrity. This meticulous planning phase allows clients to visualize their warehouse before construction begins, facilitating seamless collaboration and customization. What sets SCON Design apart in Bengaluru's competitive market is their commitment to quality and sustainability. They source high-grade materials that are not only durable but also environmentally friendly, aligning with the growing demand for green construction practices. Their fabrication process incorporates advanced welding techniques and quality control measures, resulting in structures that stand the test of time and withstand Bengaluru's diverse climate conditions. The company's portfolio showcases a wide range of warehouse structures, from expansive distribution centers to specialized storage facilities for sensitive goods. Each project reflects SCON Design's ability to adapt to unique client requirements, whether it's implementing advanced climate control systems or integrating automated storage and retrieval systems as ours into the warehouse design. SCON Design's expertise extends beyond mere construction. They offer comprehensive services that include site analysis, regulatory compliance assistance, and post-construction support. This holistic approach ensures that clients receive end-to-end solutions, simplifying the often complex process of warehouse development. In Bengaluru's bustling industrial sectors, where space comes at a premium, SCON Design's innovative vertical warehousing solutions have gained significant traction. These multi-story structures maximize land utilization while providing efficient storage and operational flow, a critical advantage in urban areas. The company's commitment to innovation is evident in their adoption of prefabrication techniques. This method